cubetti di ghiaccio tintinnano nei bicchieri che si appannano.
Hi everyone, welcome! I'm Francesco from Cocktail Bar de Court in The Hague. We are in Christmas time and I want to give to you a perfect recipe for a Christmas holiday. Everybody probably know eggnog, a particular cocktail drinking at Christmas time. Well, the internet is full of original recipe about eggnog, so I decided to prepare for you an easy and fast variant called the General Harrison Egg Nog, which appear in the manual of Jerry Thomas, a famous bartender who created the first bartender manual in the 1862. Well, in a shaker we put 3 bar spoons of sugar, a splash of water to dissolve it. Of course, you can use also sugar syrup directly. Well, now we put an egg inside. Hoopla. We refill with ice. And we top up with a cider. I use a particular kind of cider, it's a honey cider, Zinga, to give an extra touch. Like this. Close the shaker, and now with a lot of caution, because inside is present a carbonate ingredient, we're starting to shake, and in a couple of seconds our drink is ready. We open, and safe, and we serve directly in tall glass, like that. And the final touch, a little bit of nutmeg on top. Now we are ready for a toast. I wish you a Merry Christmas to everyone. Salute! That's really cool. A great eggnog, by the way. Buono.